The following are some keys to assist you in becoming successful. If you focus on the positive in your academic success, this should be an awesome semester. Success in school means showing up for all classes on time. Remember, show up, be responsible. In those rare circumstances where you must be absent because of an illness or appointment, have your parents call in your absence or bring a note on the first day of your return. Make sure you approach your teachers to get an idea of what you missed. Even better, make sure you have the contact information of someone in each of your classes, or you know where to look online to be proactive for the missed work. Self-respect and being respectful. Self-respect is to have pride and confidence in oneself, a feeling that one is behaving with honor and dignity. At Lincoln Alexander, we believe that students and staff not only respect each other, but also themselves. We have a number of things that we include in self-respect. The first is clothing. This includes wearing the proper clothing to school. The dress code is seen as a good way to encourage respect, responsibility, and safety in our schools. Lincoln Alexander's dress code strikes a balance for both staff and students between individual expression and the expectation of society for appropriate attire in a shared workplace such as a school. It is understood that students who do not follow the dress code will be asked by a teacher or vice principal to change, borrow a t-shirt or other clothing from a friend, or reverse and remove the offensive item. In these cases, a phone call will be made to the parents and guardians to explain the school's concern. The second is headwear. Hats are allowed in school. However, bandanas and headgears other than for religious reasons are not to be worn in the building. Hoods may not be up at all anywhere in the building. It impedes student identification and are to be removed within the school when directed by staff. The third, positive attitude of self-respect. All students are expected to have a positive attitude in representing Lincoln Alexander both as a student in the building and in the community. This includes being respectful to staff and other students and community members at all times.
Make healthy choices. Take care of your body by not exposing it to bad stuff like smoking, drinking, or junk food. Lincoln Alexander Secondary School prides itself on being a smoke-free, drug-free, and alcohol-free environment. Students who choose to smoke cigarettes and are of legal age must do so off property. Students found using, consuming, or being in possession of illegal drugs or alcohol will be escorted to the main office and receive consequences. If you feel you or a friend has a substance abuse problem and you would like support, please come to the guidance department for help. BYOD. It's a privilege to go to school where you are not only allowed, but are encouraged to bring your own electronic device and where Wi-Fi is available throughout the school. So make sure you're using technology to support your academic goals and be responsible with it. Be good digital citizens. Before you post on social media, ask yourself, is it true? Is it helpful? Is it kind? If not, you might want to reconsider. Speaking of personal electronic devices, remember to always keep yours in a secure place, and the same goes for all of your valuables. The school does not take responsibility for any lost or stolen property, so be careful and lock up your stuff.
Words hurt. Lincoln is a bully-free zone. That means 1. Be kind to everyone. 2. Be inclusive. And 3. Be respectful in person and online. If someone experiences or observes bullying behavior, you should report it to a teacher, teaching assistant, school administrator, or any other staff in the building immediately. Bullying behavior will be dealt with using a progressive discipline approach. Improper and intimidating behavior that affects the rights of students and staff to work in a safe, comfortable learning environment will not be tolerated. One way to make sure you do it right the first time is to always engage in academically honest practices. Do your own work. Credit others when you paraphrase or quote their work. And always avoid cheating. Learning means demonstrating what you can do and working on getting better where you struggle. Good time management, study habits will help you avoid this trap. Whatever you do, make it your best effort. If you do something well, share it. Be proud of who you are and your achievements, and let your successes inspire those around you. If your classmates are doing really well, celebrate their successes too. And if you make a mistake, own it. Take responsibility for your actions and your behavior. Let's make Lincoln a great place for everyone.